We're starting with breaking updates coming in. Mamata Banerjee is speaking on the horror in Kolkata, saying by Friday the case will be handed over to the CBI. Amid demands coming in for a CBI probe, Mamata Banerjee saying that by Friday the probe will be handed over to the central agency. So Mamata Banerjee has now spoken about the case being handed over to the CBI. Remember, there were demands coming in. There is outrage over the incident with protests taking place across the country, not just in West Bengal, but doctors have been protesting across the country demanding justice. There are claims that there could be more than one accused involved in the case. One accused in the case has now been arrested, but the family members and some believe that there could be more accused involved in the case. My colleague Tapas is joining us on the broadcast with the details. Tapas, this is a big update coming in amid demands for a CBI probe. Mamata Banerjee, the Chief Minister, saying that the case will be handed over by Friday.
But Mamata Banerjee has categorically stated after meeting the parents of that Kolkata police is leaving no stone unturned to solve actions have also been taken. The outpost have also been started out, and why more measures will be taken. But that if police are crack the case, then he will not mind handing over the case or the investigation to the Central Bureau of Investigation. That's what the protest
of investigation. That's what the protesting students and doctors have been demanding. Now, CBI probe into the matter. Now the Chief Minister made it clear that the police is probing, and if police is unable to deal with the case, deal with the investigation, then the state may hand over the investigation to the CBI. So it's very clear now that the state government have, the Chief Minister clearly clarified that there is no politics, there is no hiding anything. Hence, if required, the case can be handed over to the CBI. Now, it all remains to be seen that how the investigation process goes up, because a little while back, some senior officials of the Kolkata police have already visited the RG Medical College and Hospital. The students continue their protest, and it remains to be seen that what the students decide, because after Mamata Banerjee's statement, it is likely that a general body meeting would be held, and it would be the decision is likely to be taken in that general body meeting that what would be the next course of action. Back to you.
Okay, all right. So what will be the next course of action? That's going to be the question. But Tapas, several of those doctors have been protesting as well. I'm not sure if you can go there and speak to some of the doctors, because they had been demanding not just the case to be handed over to the CBI. In fact, we have an update that it's not Friday, but by Sunday that Mamata Banerjee has said that it will be handed over to the CBI. What are the doctors saying now? Are they happy with the case? Are they do they feel it's justified that the case will now be handed over to the CBI? What are the other demands that they have put forth?
Well, of course, I'll try to speak to some of the doctors. You can see here the doctors are protesting since last few days, and now they are continuously saying that they want justice. And here are the doctors and the resident doctors who are in this protest. Yes, if I can speak to some of them, if I can speak to you. Well, here are the doctors who are protesting, and they are saying continuously they want justice. And if I can speak to some of them, if I can speak to you, what are the exact demands that you are making till now?
We want justice. Recently, we only want justice.
You want justice? Mamata Banerjee have just now said that.
Okay, all right. Tapas, will come back to you in just a moment. Stay with us. We have Shukanta Majumdar joining us on the broadcast. Thank you for joining us, Mr. Shukanta Majumdar. Now, Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee saying that the case will be handed over to the CBI by Sunday.
See, from the beginning, we were demanding for the CBI probe. Even the doctors, those who are agitating there, even till now, they are continuing their agitation in front of the RG as well as the different hospitals. They are also in demand for this CBI. Why? So much time. Because it is almost 3 days over.
Okay.
To tamper with. Okay.
Okay, Mr. Shukantam Majumdar, we'll come back to you in just a moment. We seem to be facing technical difficulties there. But the Union Minister, remember, he had also written to the Union Health Minister in this regard and had asked for not just a probe into the matter, but also justice for the victim. And now Mamata Banerjee says that by Sunday, the case will be handed over to the CBI. This is amid the TMC also alleging that the BJP is trying to politicize the issue. Let me go back to Tapas. Tapas, Shukantam Majumdar had also written to the Union Health Minister in this regard. He has been demanding justice for the victim. The doctors have also been protesting. Mamata Banerjee now saying that the case will be handed over to the CBI by Sunday.
Well, yes, Shukantam Majumdar yesterday have written to JP Nadda regarding the situation here at RG Kar and the investigation to be conducted and also ensure safety and security for the doctors. This was the content of the letter written by the State President and also the Centre Minister Shukantam Majumdar to JP Nadda. Now you can see, I want to speak to some of the resident doctors pertaining to Mamata Banerjee's comment, but they are still yet to take a decision holistically that what their next move is going to be. If I'll try to speak to some of them. If I can come to you, one question I would like to ask. One question that I would like to ask that Mamata Banerjee have rightly said a few minutes back. Well, they are not ready to comment as of now. As I said, GB meeting is due, and unless and until deliberation is done on the general body meeting.
Because the doctors also spoke about the lack of facilities for the doctors. This was also one of the key issues that they had raised. Tapas, stay with us. Let's play out that reaction of Mamata Banerjee, where she said that adequate measures have been taken, that the police in the outpost have been removed, and the police are leaving no stone unturned to solve the
তার কারণ হচ্ছে আমার এতে কোনো পাওয়ার লেনা দেনা কিছু নেই। আমি প্রথম দিন থেকেই বলছি, কিন্তু ওদের সাকসেস রেট খুব কম। তাপস মালিককে যখন খুন করে হত্যা করা হয়, ধর্ষণ করে, আজ পর্যন্ত বিচার হয়নি। 21 শিবপুরে এটা হয়েছিল। নন্দীগ্রামে যখন 14 জন গুলিতে মারা যায় বা 10 জন হারিয়ে যায়, আজও তারা ফিরে আসেনি। এই কেসগুলো সিবিআই হাতে ছিল, রিজার্ভের কেসও ছিল, একটা কেসেরও বিচার হয়নি। এমনকি রবীন্দ্রনাথ ঠাকুরের নোবেল প্রাইজ চুরি হয়েছিল, সেই কেসটাও ছিল, মানুষ কোনো বিচার পায়নি। কিন্তু তবু মানুষের স্যাটিসফ্যাকশনের জন্য যদি কেউ ভাবতে পারে যে পুলিশ ঠিক মতো করতে পারছে না, যদিও ক্যালকাটা পুলিশ ইজ দ্য বেস্ট পুলিশ ইন দ্য ওয়ার্ল্ড, তাদের তদন্তের যে সিস্টেমটা এবং সবচেয়ে ভালো অফিসারকে লাগানো হয়েছে।
Maintain the safe distance. We are starting our press. We are releasing our press.
Cases were handed over to the CBI, but no conclusion has come. But still, if common people believe and someone believes that CBI is the only agency which can deal with this matter and bring the truth out, and she doesn't mind to hand over the case to the CBI, and she have categorically stated that till Sunday the police is given time. If police is unable to solve the case or come closer to the to solving the case, then the case will be handed over to the CBI.
So now we are going to
যদি কারো উপরে সন্দেহ থাকে, কি কারণে সন্দেহ আছে, ফ্যামিলি মেম্বার সঙ্গে আমরা টাচে আছি। কালকে এডিশন সিকিউরিটি পার্সোনালি এখানে এসেছিলেন, উনি ওনার ভিউটা জেনে গেছেন, আমিও আজকে এসেছি, ম্যাডাম এখানে এসেছেন, আমরা ওনার ভিউটা জেনে গেছি এবং ওদের সঙ্গে আমরা কন্টিনিউসলি যোগাযোগে থাকবো এবং প্রগ্রেস অফ ইনভেস্টিগেশন নিশ্চয়ই ওদের সঙ্গে শেয়ার করবো এবং আমরা নিশ্চিত এই আগামী 4-5 দিনের মধ্যে যদি আরও কেউ থাকে, আমরা নিশ্চয়ই ওদের সবাইকে আমরা নিশ্চয়ই অ্যারেস্ট করতে পারবো। আর যদি তার সত্ত্বেও যদি ফ্যামিলি স্যাটিসফ্যাকশন না থাকে, ম্যাডাম যা বলেছেন সেটা।
So Tapas is joining us from this spot. Tapas, Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee there, she was just speaking to the protesters as well. Take us through the highlights of what she said. She was also accompanied by the police officials.
The principal MSVP, Dean of Student Affairs and HOD
But
of
see,
Respiratory
Mamata Banerjee have
Medicine,
made it
and
clear
they
that,
should not be assigned
required
any
the CBI
administrative
probe can be
positions
given
in
and
future.
she have given ultimatum to the police that by Sunday the case has to be brought into
Immediate
conclusion.
announcement of
Case
adequate
solved.
compensation
If more than
for
one
the
person
family of
was
the
involved
victim
in this
within 24
nuisance crime,
hours.
then one person have been arrested and others are roaming scot-free. They have to be arrested
Ensurance
with
of
immediate effect and actions should be taken
adequate
against them.
workplace security
And
measures
if that doesn't
in
happen,
all medical
then she will not
colleges
mind
and
handing the case over
healthcare
to the
facilities,
Central Bureau of Investigation. We know that
including 24/7 CCTV surveillance,
the country
security
and having
All right. So looking at the larger issues as well, there's anger over the horrific incident and the details that have come in as well. Tapas, for the moment, thank you for joining us with those details. We're slipping into a very quick break here. We'll be right back. Do stay with us.